Yeah, that's a classic.
As we start, let me remind you that for better experience and if your bandwidth allows it, make sure you choose the maximum video quality setting.
Okay. Alright guys, today we're here to do a little test with the new chassis. Lots of new things. I've been lately sending this further than usual, and it somehow broke. It's rod ends, lots of things. I changed the input pinions, changed the chassis of course, also changed the fan, which I lost, I don't know where. Lots of new things to try. I stiffened the rear, and I thought I would have stiffened the front a little bit more, because on the jumps I think I'm gonna get chassis slabs. But other than that, then maybe putting a thicker oil in the front, I think I'll be good. But we are at BMX park. There's gonna be a huge potential in terms of sands. I'm gonna try not to break anything. Making a funny noise. It's making a funny noise. Okay. Yeah, the transmission is making a funny noise. Maybe it's just because it's brand new. I don't know. So it wasn't used to. I wasn't used to that kind of noise. Whoa, whoa. Well, we don't know. Wow. Nice. The landings are not that bad. It kind of takes it shock-wise. I mean, I think that's maybe I need to stiffen it a little bit more in the front, but other than that, I think we're good. Oh. First scratches on the brand new chassis. Oh, look at that. Oh, let's see. Woo, nice one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, grass. Okay, so let's get ready for the bigger ones. Oh no! That was easy. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, right amount. Yeah, that's good. Nah, too much. That's good.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
That's what I'm talking about. That's the right amount of throttle. Voila! And I think we have a potential awesome jump here. Okay.
Nice.
Nice transfer. Whoa. That's what I need to learn, control. Okay, let's do this. Oh, ho, ho. Oh. Okay. The fan is running. So, no, it's not. Something went wrong. What about the chassis? Oh, again, guys. I really need to lock the shit out of them. The sway bar is out also. Oh, man. I didn't see that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day for this one. And well, that's pretty much it with the new setup. I had fun, but I still have a few things to sort out. The fan spinning and hurting the neck here. These ones, the front bumper, the sway bar, well, lots of little things, but overall that's a good setup right now. All right, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the session. If you liked what you saw, maybe you want to consider subscribing, and I see you in another video. Bye.